How to fix package installer keeps stopping on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if the package installer on your Android device keeps stopping, you can try the following steps to fix the issue. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart. Check for system updates. Sometimes the issue might be resolved with a system update. Factory reset. If none of the previous solutions work, you can consider doing a factory reset on your device, but remember to back up your data first. Remember, the exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Android device's make and model, and the version of Android that you are using. If the problem persists, you may need to contact your device's manufacturer or your mobile service provider for further assistance. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix package installer keeps stopping on Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.